Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong 2024 prediction. So we will see the energies coming to you ngayong 2024. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ng mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Libra, let's see what's coming to you ngayong 2024 for Libra. Okay, you have Scarab. You also have Flying Fish and Spider. Okay, so itong Scarab is about second chances. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring mabibigyan kayo ng another chance, no? Another chance in love, another chance in your relationships, or in your career, sa business. And this is also a rebirth, na bagong ikaw. Maaring you are going to reinvent yourself, a new version of yourself, version 2.0, 3.0, and also this is a renewal. So maaring it's like shedding your old skin, parang dating ikaw, you are transforming into a new you, no? So bagong ikaw to. And this is also your ability to heal. So ngayong 2024, healing is also part of your journey, especially in your past, na kung ikaw ay naka-experience ng pain, disappointments in the past, you are going to use that yung experience na yan to change your life, to become a better version of yourself. And itong Flying Fish is about taking a leap of faith, no? So parang meron kang iti-take na risk. You are going to take a new adventure na parang, kumbaga, susugal ka sa buhay, no? Kumbaga, meron kang susubukan na bagong opportunity, career, business, relationship, na parang pakiramdam mo, you're going to give your best. You're going to bet on this project or whatever this is. And ano rin to being more adventurous. So kung dati lagi kang playing safe, ngayong 2024, all out ka sa mga tatayaan mo sa buhay. Okay? And then, you also have the energy ng Spider. So this is about trust. Pagtitiwala mo sa sarili mo, sa kakayanan mo, and also yung pag-alam ng purpose mo sa buhay. And I think you really want to improve, to innovate whatever you have right now. So kung sa business yan, gusto mo mas ma-improve mo pa yung business mo. Kung sa trabaho naman yan, gusto mo na maka-achieve ka ng growth sa career mo, like pagtaas ng sweldo or pagtaas ng posisyon sa trabaho. So, yeah, medyo ka ngayon. Ito'y lakas ng loob, pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob na sumubok ng mga bago sa buhay mo. So, let's see ano pa, Libra. For Libra, you have Chiron, healing, yes. So, talagang meron kayong energy of healing from your past experiences. And I also see this as healing your inner child, no? So maaring meron kang mga i-fulfill na pangarap mo ng bata ka, na gusto mong maranasan. So ngayong 2024, mararanasan mo yan. You also have Sagittarius, which is about expansion. So I also see travel opportunities for you. May mga bago kang learnings. Yung iba mag-aaral, babalik sa school. Meron kayong ipupursu pa na higher education, yung iba naman dadagdagan nyo yung abilities, yung kaalaman ninyo para magamit nyo sa pagpapaunlad ng inyong mga buhay. You also have Imam Kaweli, which is about your roots. Yung iba meron kayong babalikan na hometown or babalikan na family, pwedeng dun ulit kayo titira, or meron kang palalakasin or patatatagin na foundation, no, related sa family nyo. So, yung iba, pwedeng bibili ng sariling bahay or bibili mo ng bahay yung parents mo, yung giving back to your family. Kumbaga. Let's see what else. Month by month ito for you, Libra. So, January, you have the Queen of Wands. Yes, exploration agad ang January ninyo. You will also tap into your creative side, no? Yung creativity ninyo. Maaring isa sa katuparan nyo na yung mga creative ideas nyo na isinasantabi nyo for quite a while. So, ngayong January, you are really going to be the leader of your own life ngayon, no? So, hindi nyo nahahayaan na kayo ay kontrole ng ibang tao. Pagdating naman ng February, you have the Four of Wands. So, you are going to focus more on your stability, especially ng family mo. Yung iba, bibili ng bahay or meron kayong paayos sa bahay ninyo. You will also have, parang yung iba, kung yung iba babalik sa parents, yung iba naman bubukod na kayo sa parents ninyo. You will have the ability to buy your own place, to buy your own house. And that is something na isi-celebrate ninyo ngayong February. So, pagdating naman ng March, meron ditong Five of Wands. Merong competition sa paligid mo, no? Pwedeng, the more na nakikita nila na umuunlad yung situation mo, the more na merong mga makikipagkompetensya sa iyo. Oo. But I think, no, okay naman kung healthy competition, lalo na sa trabaho or sa business, no? Pero wag naman to the point na medyo magiging aggressive na yung approach mo kasi pwedeng mag-create to ng conflict or misunderstanding with others. So, pagdating naman ng April, you have the Strength card. So, this is about having courage, no? May lakas ng loob, tiwala sa sarili, na you are in control of your life and nobody can tell you what you need to do. So, kumbaga, whatever man na pagdaanan mo or challenges sa'yo, lalo na kung ito yung magsisimula sa March, pagdating ng April, kayang-kaya mo yung i-handle, kayang-kaya mo rin yung solusyonan. So, pagdating naman ng May, you have the Seven of Swords. So, be careful sa mga intentions ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi pwedeng meron dyan na mag-take advantage ng iyong kabutihan. Oo, meron din ditong cheating or dishonesty. So, this can mean sa person na related sa'yo, connected sa'yo. Pwedeng tauhan mo yan kung may business ka. So, be careful sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. Protect your energies, and even sa relationships, no, pwede ring merong ma-reveal dito na na pagiging hindi totoo sa relationship. So you also have the High Priestess. Yes, this makes sense. Pagdating ng June, you will be so connected to your instinct, to your intuition, very on point yung kutob mo sa maraming bagay. I also see some secrets being revealed by June. Lalo na yung mga taong merong hindi magandang intentions towards you. Whether this is friendship, relationships, romantic connection, or even sa career, sa trabaho. So, I think yung inyong instinct ay magiging on point and yung tipong effortless na malalaman mo yung mga itinatago sa'yo. So, pagdating naman ng July, okay. July, you have the World card. So, this is completion, successful completion of a project or a contract. So, kung meron kang kontrata sa trabaho, sa business, you will be able to finish that completely, successfully, and then you will have the opportunity to start something new. Rewarding din to. So, I think kung ano man yung mga ipinurso mo ng mga nakaraang buwan or ipupurso mo sa start ng 2024, pagdating ng July, you will see the results. You will see the rewards. And then, yung iba, opportunity to travel abroad or to work abroad. And then, let's see, for August, you have the Judgment card, which is acceptance, awakening, and assessment. So, I think this is you na, meron ka pang i-improve. I think for 2024, hangga't kaya mong may baguhin for the better sa sarili mo, sa business mo, sa career mo, even sa relationships, gagawin mo. Because you always want to be the best version of yourself. And this is also reinventing yourself. So, maaring meron kang mga realizations of the things that you can do na pwede mong idagdag sa iyong sa iyong belt, sa inyong credentials. So, pagdating naman ng September, so there's a lot of happiness, contentment for you. Maaring may mga travel opportunities together with your family na kung saan dun mo mas lalong pagtitibayan yung bonding ninyo ng inyong family. I also see mga properties na mabibili mo, gamit for your family. Pwedeng gift giving din ito. So there's a lot of prosperity and contentment sa'yo pagdating ng September. So I think September is also your birth month, no? So, and then let's go sa October naman. You have the star. Wow. So, star is about wish fulfillment. I think meron kang importanteng wish, malaking wish na matutupad pagdating ng October. And this is also about healing. So, kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges sa inyong kalusugan pagdating ng October, you will be able to heal completely. Okay? So, November naman, you have the King of Pentacles. So, this is focusing on your finances. This is being more generous. So, I think, pagdating ng November, dun mo na marirealize yung stability ng iyong finances, kaperahan mo, ng trabaho mo, ng career mo. And that's also the time to give back to others, no? To help other people. In any way that you can. So, pwedeng monetary, tutulong ka. Pwede rin naman yung skills mo, yung galing mo, yung knowledge mo, ituturo mo sa iba to help others to grow as well. Pagdating naman ng December, you have the Devil card. So, this is desire, obsession, and shadow work. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will reassess your situation if alin sa mga na-experience mo or naging, kumbaga, treatment mo sa isang situation, alin doon yung unhealthy, alin doon yung healthy, alin doon yung makakabuti, alin yung hindi. So, I think pagdating ng December, you will let go of anything na sa tingin mo you're trying to control because of the benefits that you are getting, yung mga benepisyo na nakukuha mo. I-release mo yun kasi may mga pagkakataon na akala mo that's good for you but actually you are obsessing about something. And obsession is okay, lalo na kung if it's a good obsession, but there are some connection, situation, alam natin na hindi magandang i-obsess if it's hurting other people. So, I think that is something na i-reassess mo and i-let go mo. Okay, so, tingnan natin money, career, finances for Libra. Determination, yes. Ayan yung magpupush sa'yo para maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, alam nyo kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Siyempre, kung hindi kayo kontento sa isang trabaho, business, or career, sa financial situation ninyo, kailangan meron kayong baguhin, 'di ba? So I think yun, meron kayong babaguhin and you will be determined in achieving your goals. And also, ayan meron talagang properties, yung iba bibili ng lupa, bahay, sasakyan ngayong 2024. And then meron ding financial stability. Ayan. So importante sa iyo siguro mag-aano ka, no? Marami kang mga ipon. Yan din yung isa sa goal mo for 2024 na magkaroon ng mas maraming savings. Sa relationship, you are getting to know someone na may potential na maging very serious relationship if you are single. Pero kung kayo naman ay in a relationship na pero hindi pa talaga ganun kaseryoso, so pwedeng ile-level up nyo ang inyong connection. And meron dito, I also see someone na very interested sa'yo. Gusto kang makilala. Gusto ka pang mas makasama, no? So, pwedeng maganda or malaki yung potential ng relationship na to na mag-grow, na maging serious relationship na pwedeng umabot sa wedding, sa marriage. Okay? So, some of you, pwedeng makikilala nyo to online. Oo, yung mga online dating apps. But of course, take precautionary measures. mag-ingat, okay? But I think, you will enjoy the company of this person. You will just try to get to know this person in a deeper level, okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.